Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, lived a little princess named Alina. She was kind-hearted and loved exploring the beautiful gardens of her castle. One day, while walking near a stream, she found a tiny bird with an injured wing. Alina gently picked up the bird and brought it back to the castle. She cared for it every day, feeding it and singing lullabies. Slowly, the bird's wing healed. One morning, the bird sang a melodious tune and flew around Alina, as if saying thank you. The little princess smiled and said, "Always be kind, and kindness will return to you." The bird flew away, but returned every day to sit on her window and sing, making Alina's days brighter. Alina learned that even the smallest acts of kindness can create the most magical moments.